Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the NBA2k25 error code 0x887a002b. The error reads, GPU failed with. The application is trying to use a resource to which it does not have the required access privileges. This is most commonly caused by writing to a shared resource with read-only access. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game on PC. This error is most likely caused by overlay conflicts or outdated software. The first thing you should try is to verify the game files. Simply go to your game launcher, locate NBA2k25 and select the option to verify game files. Let the process complete and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then make sure the game is updated with its latest version and then see if the error is gone. If the game is already updated, then try checking for any Windows optional updates. Go to your Windows settings, then open Update and Security. Then click on Optional Updates, and if you see any firmware updates listed, install them. Once done, restart your PC and check for the error again. If the error is still there, then try uninstalling Overwolf or any similar applications. Many users have shared that the error is caused by overlays from apps like Overwolf, Outplayed, NVIDIA app, or even Discord. So make sure to disable or uninstall these overlays and see if the issue gets resolved. If none of these steps work, then we suggest you contact 2K support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.